can see that yesterday I was able to generate $1,550 just using this automated business system. And today I've already been able to make $125, and it's only 8:30 a.m. Okay, so what I'm gonna do in this video is in a second I'm gonna hop in front of the whiteboard and break down exactly how you can start making income passively in about 30 minutes to 60 minutes a day. Right now I'm in front of the whiteboard, and before I break down exactly how simple this works, what all I did, and how you can also realistically plug into this and start to create some results for you and your family, I want to share with you that maybe you're watching this for a certain reason, right? Maybe you're someone that is working a job right now that just doesn't satisfy you. Or maybe you just want to bring in some extra income, right? Start to build that nest egg for when you retire. Whatever the case may be, you can do this if you apply what I'm going to break down. Now, what I'm going to break down first off is the Funnel X ROI system. Now, this is the exact system I'm personally using to generate these high-ticket, big commissions. See, maybe you've tried to go out there and promote products online. Maybe you've gone to sites like ClickBank or JVZoo and you've promoted products, but when you get the commission, when you get the earning, you feel like a punch in the gut when you see how tiny the payout actually is. The cool thing with Funnel X ROI is it's what's called high ticket, okay? Funnel X ROI. It's high ticket, meaning it will pay you, okay, $250 all the way up to, you know, $1,000 or more per commission, okay? So I want you to think for a second, what's your income goal, right? It's very clear to give your mind a target to aim at. And let's say your income goal is $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month. Well, if you're going out there and you're promoting products that are only paying you, $10, $100 per commission, it's going to take an enormous amount of people, effort, and time to really create enough sales and commissions in your business for you to hit that income goal. But if you're selling a product that you make $1,000 per commission, then you only need 10 sales a month to hit $10,000 a month. Okay, so that's the first thing I started doing, as you saw inside of the proof when I first started this video. To make that $1,550, I only made a $1,000 commission, a $500 commission, and a $50 commission. So I only needed three or so people. I think I might have made one other sale, but I only needed a few people to really hit that goal, okay? Now, again, you may have tried something in the past, and what you realize is typically, okay, before Funnel X ROI came around, what you had to do to make money online was a lot of different pieces, okay? You had to get traffic, which is basically just eyeballs, okay? I'll draw an eyeball here. Pardon my, my artistic ability there. Okay, eyeballs to an offer, okay? And what you have to do is usually create your own funnel, okay? Which is basically comprised of different websites online that will take your visitor through a process and will sell that person, upsell that person. Now, first off, a lot of these businesses online systems don't actually have a funnel in place. I did network marketing when I first got online, and a lot of the network marketing companies, they don't even have a funnel. So you're having to get on the phone all day, you're having to talk to your friends and family. When you join this through the link below at any time, you're going to be able to set this up where you don't have to talk to your friends and family, you don't have to chase the mailman, you don't have to bother anyone. You're going to be able to set this up on autopilot and start to create passive income that you may have been wanting for a really long time. So in the past, you had to create your own capture page, okay? This is a page where you have a box and there's a headline, okay? And this box is asking for this visitor's email address, okay? Now, you've probably seen a page like that online. And when you go to the link below, you're actually gonna see an example of the capture page that I'm using. But the problem was you had to create your own capture page, which a lot of people don't know how to do. They don't know how to write compelling sales copy and sales messages on there to get people to pull out their, or put their email in. So that was a lot of work. The next step was you had to either create a sales page or find a sales page that would sell, okay, your prospect for you. And usually there's a video on there and there's a buy button, okay? Now, you used to have to create that. Or again, you'd have to do a lot of research, a lot of trial and error to see which one was converting the best for you, right? And then, okay, if you set all this up, what you would have to do is you'd have to follow up, okay? Follow up, because the fortune is really in the follow-up. It's a known fact that most people are not going to buy instantly. Most people are not going to see a sales message in front of them, feel that urge, and decide to get started. So it's going to take some following up. Now, again, if you were doing the old-fashioned way, or if you tried a lot of these other so-called businesses out there that these gurus are just spouting to you left, right, and center, they're always pitching a different deal, you're always overwhelmed, you know, they're filling your email inbox with all this garbage, and you don't know what to do. You're frustrated, you're confused. I can relate, because that's why I'm on a mission against those so-called gurus out there, because they're just trying to take your money. They're not offering any help. When you finally do join them, they leave you high and dry. There's no support, and that's what really bothers me, is why I'm so motivated to help you. So again, you'd have to create the capture page, you'd have to create the sales page, or try to find one. You'd have to follow up, and you'd either have to get on the phone, okay, which you may be watching this because maybe you don't want to do phone sales, right? Maybe you're in sales right now, or maybe you've done telemarketing, or maybe you've just, you're kind of more introverted. You like hiding behind the computer and hitting a couple keys on your computer, and you don't want to get on the phone, okay? Well, if you're like that, that's how I was. I did not want to get on the phone all day. It was draining, it was tiring. I wanted to just relax, on the beach as money came into my bank account. And so, or you had to create these emails, okay? If you can see that, these are, again, not the best scrawling, but these are emails that you would have to craft and write yourself, trying to come up with them, trying to figure out what's going to get people to buy. And you'd have to write all that and then set it up. And a lot of people don't know how to set up, autoresponders and processes to get these emails following up with your leads, okay, the people that have actually put their email in here. So you'd have to send them to the sales page, or follow up and call them, trying to get them to go back to the sales page to buy. And again, up until Funnel X ROI, you'd have to do all this yourself. Okay, you'd have to create the capture page, you'd have to find the sales page, you'd have to get on the phone, you'd have to craft all the email messages and try to follow up to convert the sale in your business. Well, why is Funnel X ROI so amazing, and why are you able to create up to $1,000 or more commissions on a daily basis? Well, what you want to realize is all this, okay, is actually done for you, okay? Done for you. With Funnel X ROI, and again, there's going to be a private invitation-only link in the description right below this. When you set up your system with Funnel X ROI and you position yourself in the different income streams, which, by the way, there's 5 different income streams. You're not limited to just, 1 or 2 like a lot of these other, so-called amazing businesses. You actually get 5 different income streams that your traffic, your visitor, will actually go through on autopilot, done for you, okay? So then you may be watching this going, well, are you really telling me that the capture pages are created? Yes. Are you really telling me that they have a sales page that's really high converting that will do all the selling and upselling for me? Yes. Are you really telling me that you don't have to get on the phone and you can actually get done for you follow-up email messages going out to your leads for you, selling them on 5 different income streams that are high ticket? Yes. Right? See, that's the beauty of this system, and that's why so many people all over the world have been able to plug in, whether they're brand new, whether they've never done anything like this before, maybe they've never done sales, maybe they've never marketed online or promoted anything. That's why so many people from all over the world are able to get started with this and see massive results. So what are you actually doing day to day? Because a lot of people come to me, they're very interested in joining, they're watching my videos, they have credit card in hand, and the one last question usually is, Garrett, what am I doing day to day in that 30-minute to 60-minute, daily action? What am I doing? Well, the only thing not done for you, and I'll share how you can actually get it virtually done for you in a second, is the traffic, okay? So you need, your job, your only task is with the FunnelX ROI system. If you go somewhere else, it's gonna be completely different. Your only task is to get as many eyeballs and visitors that are high quality, okay, quality people, to the funnel, to the capture page. And then the FunnelX ROI system, just like a well-greased system, just like McDonald's, okay? If you try to open up a McDonald's, you don't have to come up with the burger recipe. You don't have to come up with how to make fries. It's a system. It's already proven. And this system will take over and walk that person through the process. Maybe you've watched my videos before and you've actually gone through some of the process with this FunnelX ROI system. And if you have, as you continue to go through it, you're gonna see each piece of this. And as you upgrade at the different levels, you position yourself to earn all the different income streams, you're gonna be able to see how powerful and high converting this actually is, okay? So now traffic. Let me get a different marker because this is not working as well right now, but traffic, okay? A lot of people ask me, Garrett, how do I get traffic, right? How do I get people to the system? Well, that's what I wanna end on real quick. Basically, don't overcomplicate it. A lot of people, you know, they want to know the best way. They want to know how do you do it. Basically, anywhere there's people. Okay, this marker is even worse. I do apologize. I believe this marker is working. I appreciate you sticking around, my friend, because this is so powerful when you fully grasp this. Any place with people. Okay? Now, if you're someone though that, let me bring this up if you can see this, okay? Any place with people. Now, if you're someone that wants to automate this though, maybe you don't have a lot of time in the day, what I recommend you do is you focus on online traffic. Online, and there's two ways. There's free and there's paid. Now, which one's better? If you have a lot of free time but not too much extra money, I advise you to start with free. Okay, this is like social media. This is posting on Facebook, posting on Instagram. Or if you don't have too much time in the day, maybe you're working a job, maybe 2 jobs, maybe you have a family, and you have a little bit more extra income, I would highly recommend you focus on paid, okay, which is like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, things like that. So that's really it. Now, because you stick around to the end of this video and because I truly want to help you succeed, what I'm gonna do, if you don't know already, I have over $5,000 worth of powerful bonuses that I throw in for everyone who comes in at the $500 or higher level, okay? Because I reward people that are serious. If you come in at the $500 level or higher, you're gonna get over $5,000 of my own training and bonuses that's gonna basically focus on mainly this part, okay, the traffic. Because this is going to be the hardest part for you. And what I'm going to do when you join at the link below at the $500 level or higher is I'm going to actually throw in my social media mastery course, okay? My powerful course where I break down all my free strategies to get tons of sales, tons of leads on a daily basis just using social media. I'm also going to throw in a Facebook ads course 101 and a retargeting ads course breakdown, which is basically going to teach you how to run Facebook ads. So if you're someone that wants to focus on paid, when you join me, you're going to get all that training done for you that you can just go through, apply, and send it and slam it into the system. And on the other end is going to be high ticket commissions. Okay, this isn't luck. This isn't, some crazy thing. It's just simple numbers. And if you run the numbers enough times through getting enough traffic, which you will with the bonuses, you're going to be able to make consistent high ticket sales. Okay, again, this is just simple math. This is simple numbers, okay? And it plays out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you were someone that was looking for how to make passive income, how to, start the best automated business, you're not going to find an easier one right now in 2019 and beyond than FunnelX ROI. Okay, so if you're watching this and you want access to an invitation-only link to start to set up your system, go to the link below and just get started, okay? David, the creator of this system, is gonna walk you through in video form every single step, point by point, click by click, to set up your capture page, to set up, the follow-up emails, all of it. and to really even start getting traffic. And again, when you join at the $500 level or higher, I will actually get an email notifying me, and I will send you a personal email with the links to all that bonus training. Okay, so let's fight the gurus out there that are trying to, steer you wrong. The so-called, leaders that are basically making you seem like it's too good to be true, or, they're not actually telling you what they're really doing. Realize that I started not too long ago, right? Just a few years back, I was a waiter. I had like $47 in my bank account at my lowest time. At one time, it was even negative. And I was brand new. I had never done anything like this before, but getting plugged into certain training and a certain mentor, my life completely changed. So if you're interested, again, go below. If you have any questions, comment below, okay? I want to answer these questions. I want you to understand how simple this is, and I really think you're going to like it. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.